In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to log out Wise account everywhere. Let's say you log in your Wise account in different phone or laptop or something like that, and you are noticing maybe someone is accessing your account, or you are just not sure or what's going on your Wise account. So the next thing you want to do is to log out your Wise account everywhere, and maybe after that you can change your password. So for you to be able to do that, click on log into your Wise account on your phone, then click on the top left corner icon. Then once you do that, it's gonna take you straight to this page. Then scroll all the way down, then you see privacy and security. Then just click on that and scroll down. You're gonna see log out everywhere. So if you notice any suspicious activities, log out of Wise across all devices. So this way your Wise account will be logged out on any device you log in the account. Then after that, you can change the password of your Wise account. So this way you will be sure that you only have access to your Wise account.